Okay, this is another short video that's going to display some of the configuration I've got for WLED using the ESP-8266. That is this controller right here, which costs $7 with a little LED light show, and the WLED website or app. If I change my colors here, you can see that it changes colors on the LED array. And this is by Wi-Fi, not by Bluetooth. Here's the address, 192.168.1.11. I got that address by using this search advanced IP scanner. And then if I right click when this comes up, go to Tools, go to HTTP, that will bring up this program as long as I'm connected to the internet and as long as this is plugged in. Now what I'm going to show you is how this is arranged. There's an on and off switch on this flat battery, which is a recharging battery for cell phones, a battery bank. This kind of a mauve color thing right here. I've got Velcro on both sides, and I've got the hook Velcro on both sides. And then on the bottom of this piece of plastic, looks like this, I cut out, that could be clear plexiglass, it just happens to be plastic. Now notice that I've got a resistor soldered in line from my signal, which is D4. The yellow wire goes into a resistor, which is 1,000 ohms. I think you could probably choose any reasonable resistance. I just chose one that's 1,000 ohms. And then it goes into the signal pin on the array, which is over on this side of the array, along with voltage. Now, this does not have a 5-volt marked pin. It's got several 3-volt marked. That's what I'm running out of there. There probably is an output for 5 volts, but I don't have that. I don't have that noted. This cable comes with the battery pack for $6, I believe, at Walmart. The cables have always been data and power, as far as I know. The ones I've always had have been both data and power. That's the way I've got this hooked up. I can use this now as a wearable by putting the other side Velcro on a belt or on a backpack. This becomes wearable. And we can use either an app or the online program for programming. There'll be more on this